Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's been a little bit, but we are in the middle of a heat wave here. It seems like I was just mentioning that I was out taking photos in like a polar vortex not too long ago. Before was like minus 29. Now we're like plus 30. It is hot here. So it's been the last few days, it's been absolutely roasting. So a little bit too hot to get outside, but today was actually a little bit cooler. So it had been a while since I've actually been outside to take some pictures just because it has been so hot out, but I figured it might be worthwhile just to head out, take a few pictures around closer to home. Didn't head into downtown to take any street photography photos that way, but just kind of walk around the neighborhoods. But what's nice, actually, the heat is out. We've had a little bit of rain, so that means all of the blossoms are out, all the trees are turning green, and there is more people outside kind of on patios. You'll see some of these pictures. It's kind of interesting in these pictures because of a lot of the restaurants are still closed inside for that. But what's happened is a lot of the streets are getting turned into patios, so they've extended the sidewalks out so restaurants can open up and have patios outside. So you'll see that in some of the pictures. It's kind of neat. I think I'll look back at these photos probably in 5 or 10 years and we'll remember what the summer of 2020 and 2021 was like, but hopefully you enjoy as well. There's a few photos here. These were all taken with the Fuji X-T4 with my 35mm lens. That's my go-to setup, and nothing crazy with film simulation recipes. I just grabbed the camera today, headed outside, and these are all taken with the Classic Neg Film Simulation, just straight out of the camera, JPEGs. A few of the photos were cropped a little bit, but that's it. Hopefully you enjoy. There is numbers as always on the pictures, and let me know in the comments below if you have a favorite. Let me know what you think down below. I always appreciate your constructive criticism. I am coming into the weekend now, so I'll have more time, and it's going to be cooling off, which is great. I will get outside and do another POV for everybody over the weekend. So thanks for watching. Have a good Friday, and we'll see you in the next video. All right, don't forget, let me know down in the comments below what number is your favorite photo, maybe, or let me know what one you didn't like or offer improvements, constructive criticism. Always appreciate it. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you aren't subscribed and you've made it this far, it's always appreciated. If you subscribe to the channel, follow along. I do Photowalk videos, lots of film simulation recipes, getting into POVs on the channel as well. It'd be great to have you follow along, and have a great week, everybody.